so that to not shake. So I pin it down. I sew it from this zip side here. Before the open your zip little, so that you can see place to remove it. Look at it here. Go from this side again. Open it inside, so that after finish sewing it, you can see place to remove it. I've opened the inside. Look at the inside. So I'm going to be joining this side. I've joined from these two sides here. I've joined from here to here. The same thing on the other side. I've joined from this side to this side. So I'm going to be sewing this right now. This shape like this. You will fold it like this. Sew it. As I pin it like this, you just fold it down and pin it together and sew it straight down. Sew it like this. Sew it down. So the needle I use sew this bag, I use needle size 18. So use size 18. Please remember to pin your work. Remember to pin your work, please. So I'm done with this side. Why I pin it? Because I don't want it to shift. I've sewn it the same way. I'm going to be folding this side like this. Look at the way I'm doing it. Just hold it like this. Make sure that this sewing side and this sewing side join together, and use your pin to pin it. That is why I'm talking about this pin. It's very, very important, so that it will be the same equal with it. And use your pin to pin it from this side here, like this. I'll pin this side. The same thing I'm going to be pinning this side and this side, and sew it. So when you're making this type of bag, use this pin, this needle, size 18. Size 18, yes. I'm done sewing this bag. Look at, I'm going to bring it. That's why I say you should open your zip, so that after you finish, you can bring it. Done with it. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. This is the back. Like I said, I'm going to bring it. That is why I opened this inside to bring it out. So I'm going to bring it out like this from that place I left. We bring it out this form. So this bag depends the size you want. It's very easy to make. So I'm done with the bag. This is the bag I want.
So I come and wash your hands.
Putting lining on it. It's going to be having lining. So this is the pocket, then the mouth side, and attach this with the. So look at it now. Make sure it's in the middle. Pin it down. Pin the pocket. This pocket, pin it so that to avoid shifting. So it will not be shifting. After pinning, after the pin, you sew this. Make sure you pin it down to avoid shifting the pocket. Almost done with this. I'm done with the inner pocket. After watching this video, just try and give it a try first. Just find any pieces and try it. You see that the bag is very easy to make. So I'm done with the inner pocket. I sew this pocket inside the on top of the lining. Yes, This is the inner lining. So I'm going to fold it like this. I'll fold it like the way I did I sewed the back. That is how we sew this particular one. So I'm going to sew this side. Remember to use pin again to pin your work. Like I said, to avoid shifting. So sew it like this. You can see what I'm doing. Please, so use so close the two sides. I'll close this one side. I'm done with this one side here. I've not sewed this side yet. So I'm going to be closing the other side, the other two side. Look at this. I'm going to sew from this place to this place now. Close the two sides, this side and this side. So be at the bottom side. Take it like this, like I said before. Take it like this. Make sure it's like you join it together. Use pin to pin it. Please use pin on your work. I like using pin. It will make your work look very, very neat. There won't be any shifting of your cloth. So I'm done pinning it. So sew it like this. It's very easy to make this pack. So I'm done with this side. I will sew the other side like that too. Going to be holding it like this. Like I said, use pin to it. Going to hold it like this again and pin it. After that, I sew it. So remember to, when you are sewing it, remember to sew it outside. The pocket is inside. This is the pocket here. The pocket will be inside. When you sew it outside here. Pocket is inside. Sew it outside. So that you turn it out. Turn it and bring it out. Bring the front. So this is it. This is the lining. This is the pocket. I'm going to be putting it inside this bag now. Wash and see. So you bring it back like this and turn it out. Bring it out like this. And the lining, the way is like this. From the down side, from the down part, you put it inside like this. See what I'm doing? Remember, this is the back of the back, and this is inside the back. This is the back. This is the back, and this is the line. So here is from the back. I'll wear it like this. Put the handle inside. After that, I'm going to bring it out. So I'm going to be sewing this lining like this. You fold it like this into two. Sew it on top this line, on top the zip like this. Make sure that you do not sew on top the zip. You will sew it before the zip. Just on top the this thing. That is how you will do it. So I'm going to be sewing it round to this side. I'm going to be sewing the lining on top this on top the zip like this. I fold the lining on top the zip. Fold the lining on top the zip and sew it like this. So I'm going to be sewing it all around. saw the line is round. So look at how I fold the lining. Sorry, it's not light. I bend this lining on top the zip and sew it round this bag. I'm done with it. I've sewed the lining. So I'm done with the sewing. This is inside, this is outside. So I need to bring it outside. So you bring it out like this. It's very easy to mix. Depends the size of or the bag you're making. Like I said, this one I took the wideness 24, while the length is 14. So it depends the size you want. So this is how it look. This is the zip, and this is the hem. I'm gonna zip it now. So I zip it now, as you can see. So this is how the zip, how it look. If you look inside now, the inside is very neat, and see this is the pocket I put. Very nice. So this is how to make a bag, and it has the white standing at the bottom side. So I'm done with it. If you've not watched the cutting part, watch the cutting part. This is the sewing part 2. Go and watch the cutting part 1, so that you understand the everything. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe for my video, like my video, and share my video. God bless you as you do so. I love you. Bye.